Today I'm going to show you how to edit videos with natural language prompts. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, you're in one of your projects here. You can see that on the right hand side we have this director over here. And basically what this is a chat. So what you want to do is you want to use natural language to edit your videos. So quite simply what we can do here is we've got some music and I'm not 100% happy with the music, so I want to change the transitions and I would like to change the music. So I've just literally typed in here, I want to change the transitions to something slightly more upbeat and give me some funky music options. Now, if you click on send message, this will allow you to edit this in natural language. So now it's going to give you some tracks for you to choose from. You can actually sample them before you add them in over here. So quite simply, all you'll have to do is click on the play button on any one of them. Once you're happy with one of the options, go ahead, click on confirm. It'll confirm that, and now it's planning its next step. So it'll just do what it's asked you to do. It's also updated the transitions to something with a bit more energy, and then you can go and review your video, and quite simply you can add some more prompts if you're unhappy with anything and make your editing accordingly.